everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I tried out the new products that I received last week from Glitterbels. These are the nails that I created. They are ombre, I want to say baby boomers, but I literally have no idea why they're called baby boomers. If somebody can, if anybody knows, then, please tell me. I have no idea. So anyway, I think that's what they're called. I like to call them ombre. But yeah, so I used Glitterbels products and I absolutely loved using them. They were really fabulous to work with. Absolutely amazing, great coverage. There's hardly any filing needed with these acrylics. Yeah, they're really, really good. I absolutely love them. So I would recommend them to anybody. They're just, so easy to work with. And I just love the colours. They're great. So the core powders are the ones that I used in this video. And I shall show you how I created this look. So here are the tips that I used. I got I got almond tips, sorry, and they're clear tips. So the glue that I'm using is just from Salon Services, just ordinary glue there. The nail drill that I'm using is from Melody Susie. It's my rechargeable cordless e-file. Oh my word, it's the best thing in the whole wide world. I do have a discount code for that, guys, in my video from a few weeks ago, so check that out. It's the best thing I've ever used. I love it. So I'm just blending the nail tips to my natural nail with the e-file. I'm doing this very, very gently. I'm not filing my natural nail with the e-file. Just that edge there. So I go in with the dehydrator from Glitterbels and then the primer also from Glitterbels. I've pushed my cuticle back, just, FYI, to let you know, just in case anybody's wondering. Already pushed those cuticles back and prepped the nail by buffing it naturally with a buffer. The white powder that I've popped on at the end is Snowbells White, and the core powder that I'm using here is Pinkerbell Cover. It's like a peachy colour, really, really nice. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but oh my word, it blends to my nail so beautifully. I was like, as I was using it, I just thought, oh my goodness, this is amazing. It just seemed to just glide onto my nail. I was so over the moon with it. I really, really loved it. So yeah, just like I said, just so easy to work with, guys. I really love it. So then to encapsulate that nail, I used glass slippers, which is the clear powder from Glitterbels. Just starting at the top, and I just place it down the nail all the way down so that I'm not filing off any of my ombre design when I come to use my e-file. The brush I'm using is a number 8 brush, pretty small. I wanted a bigger one, but whatever. So then I go in again with my fabulous e-file and I just go around the cuticle area, and like I said, hardly any filing, just sort of breezed through it. It was amazing. And then I do use a hand file just to make sure that everything is really beautifully smooth, and then I go in with a buffer as well. I just want to make sure that those nails are perfectly smooth. Please excuse my dogs barking in the background, guys. I do apologise for that. So with the no wipe top coat, UV gel top coat from Glitterbels, I pop that on, and this is the bit that I love the most, is when that top coat goes on and you can really see how beautiful the nails are. Really love them. So then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I pop down some cuticle oil. So guys, I want to know what your thoughts are. What do you think? Have you used Glitterbels before? What's your experience? What do you think to this look? I'm quite keen to know what you all what impressions you all have. My first impressions are fabulous. So yeah, let me know in the comments section below. And so this is the final look, and I'm really chuffed to bits with it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Really do appreciate it, as always. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, I'll leave all the links to everything that I used. I'll leave all the links in the description box below for you all to check them out. And yeah, cannot recommend these enough. Love them. We'll be using them more often. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.